Hello and welcome to Complete Introduction to Cybersecurity. My name is Grant Collins and I will be the instructor for this course. I'm really excited to have you accompany me as we enter into the industry of cybersecurity and we walk through the foundations and fundamentals of IT and security included. By the time you complete this course, you will have a foundational understanding of what cybersecurity is, how it's implemented, the specifics of cybersecurity, including the tools and technologies used throughout the industry, what types of threats and attacks are posed to us and companies, both large and small, and much more. I will be covering all of the course goals and objectives in the next lecture. So I'm very glad to have you join us as a prospective student, enthusiast, or professionals. All skill levels are welcome. So for those of you who are just getting started, the world and industry of cybersecurity can be daunting and overwhelming. You have thousands of online resources to choose from and many questions, and it may seem like, getting into cybersecurity is quite impossible to break through. As a security student myself, I know exactly what type of questions you are encountering, the doubts you have, and the experiences you've gone through. I'm in the exact same place myself, but through dedicated time and research, I was able to find a clear path and direction by learning the foundations of IT and cybersecurity, and we'll be doing the same exact thing throughout this course. So this course is going to give you a clear direction of what the fundamentals are in IT and the security components or layers that are on top of the IT basics. So for a general overview of this course, we will be working through 6 total sections, each one working off of each other. I'll be starting with the basics of cybersecurity, covering what it is and what is involved. After this, I'll be transitioning into general IT terms and terminologies and concepts to get us quickly up and running with IT. After our first couple sections, we'll finally move into sections 4 through 6, where I will be covering the different types of cybersecurity attacks, defenses, and how to create our very own practice lab to cover some of these concepts for practical application. To get the most out of each section and really to get the most out of this mini course, I challenge you to take notes and think critically throughout the course. Also, perform additional research into the topics covered throughout this course. This course is going to give a great introduction to a lot of concepts, so make sure to download all worksheets and take each section quiz to test yourself. All right, once again, thank you so much for joining me along this course. I really hope that you learn a lot and welcome.